Number 3 is FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer. Are you a D&D mini enthusiast searching for a top-of-the-line 3D printer to take your game to the next level? Then the FLASHFORGE Guider IIS 3D printer is an excellent choice for you. With an immense build volume of 11.0 by 9.8 by 11.8 in /280 by 250 by 300 millimeters, this printer can meet all your D&D mini printing needs. Its intelligent compensation of the platform height through the Z-axis during printing makes automatic leveling a breeze. But the Guider IIS is more than just extensive. It's also powerful. The printer can reach a nozzle temperature of up to 300 degrees Celsius. It can handle various filaments, including PLA, ABS, ASA, PVA, PETG, nylon, HIPS, PA, PC, wood, electrically conductive materials, and carbon fiber composite materials. Its dual platform and flexible, durable build plates allow quick heating and effortless model removal. At the same time, its resume printing function ensures you can pick up where you left off, even during a power outage or unexpected stoppage. The Guider IIS is designed with safety and convenience in mind. Its HEPA 13 air filter adsorbs impurities and gases generated by industrial filament printing, ensuring a safe and comfortable printing environment. So if you want to purchase this 3D printer, check the link in the description box below.